Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change iPhone audio output. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser, and here it says go open the control center on your iPhone or iPad, touch and hold the audio card in the upper right corner of control center to control audio, and then tap and then choose the device that you want from the list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just apply the steps. I'm going to just go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, click the control center, and then in the control center you're gonna scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna find that I haven't added an audio, right, or sound recognition or whatever. And what I'm gonna do, we're gonna see right here, I'm gonna see to add it. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, if I wanted to change the place or remove it, I'm gonna just go ahead and remove, click on the red circle and then remove, or you can just wipe left. You can't actually. So basically you get to be able to add another device. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.